To enable autoplay for videos in Canva, we need to jump straight into your account settings to change how the editor handles motion. Start by opening Canva on your desktop and looking at the left corner of your home screen. You will see your profile picture or initials in a small circle. Click on that icon and then select Settings from the drop-down menu that appears. This will open up your account management page. On the left side of the screen, you will see a vertical menu with various categories. Scroll down to where it says Accessibility and click on that option. Once you are in the Accessibility section, you will see a few different toggles for your visual experience. Scroll down until you see the section specifically for autoplay videos. Right now, this is likely toggled off or set to follow your system preferences. Click the drop-down and select the option to turn it on. The important thing is that once you enable this, every video element, sticker, and animation will start playing the second it appears on your screen. This is great for seeing how your timing looks without having to manually hit play on every single page. Now, that goes both ways. While it makes the editing process feel much more dynamic, it can also be very demanding on your hardware. In my case, I noticed that if I am working on a complex presentation with multiple high-definition video clips, having autoplay toggled on can cause the browser to lag or the preview to stutter. You are essentially asking your computer to render every moving part of your design simultaneously. If you find that your workspace is becoming slow or unresponsive, you might want to back out of your design, return to these settings, and toggle it off to save on system resources. After you have made your selection, you do not need to look for a save button as Canva updates your preferences instantly. You can simply go back to your project and you will notice that your videos now play automatically as you scroll through your pages. I hope you found this helpful and I'll see you in the next one.